bear. Let's have a look. No eyes is tedious, simple use. It is not so dangerous. We need to find the correct eyes and sew them. Find two identical buttons and tap them. Tap the thread. Tap the dots that are blinking. I prescribe you not to pull his eyes again. Next one. Oh, what has happened? Is it stung by some unknown bug? This is not good at all. We need to make a vaccine urgently. Help me make a vaccine for the caterpillar. Move the syringe to the ampoule with the vaccine and then move the syringe to the caterpillar. Help me disinfect the wounds of the caterpillar. Use a sterile napkin, move it to the hydrogen peroxide and then to the wounds. Every wound with a plaster. Archie, you had one caterpillar earlier. Now you have the whole caterpillar train. The caterpillar looks even more beautiful now. Have a nice day. Don't play with unknown bugs. It is dangerous.